Good day, masters, baristas, everyone. Now I'm facing a problem regarding the Marzocco linea mini. What's the problem? The water from the group bed was cold. The steam one is working. As you can see, the two gauges are working. Brew gauge and steam gauge are all working, but I can touch the water from group head. So now when I check the potentiometer, it's set in the high temperature. So now I need to fix this one and check what's the problem inside of it. So now I took the screw and then I check the creaks, and then I asked my brother to help me to put the machine down to check everything so that we will know what's the possible problem of this espresso machine, because it will be a big problem for us during the operation since we are busy shop. And then we're lucky that it happened when I checked. And for safety purposes I turned off the machine and to put it down. I opened the top cover and then I noticed it has a little bit dust, a little bit dusty. That's why I used tissue to clean it up, and then I opened all the bolt and then fast forward. Now as you can see, after 1 hour of opening, now it's open. I need to check inside what's happening, why my machine's not work. It's working, but the hot water coming from group head was cold. That's why I need to check some wirings inside. And then actually I'm looking for a thermal reset button, but this unit, I don't know where they put the thermal reset button. So I told my brother to check camera again and make sure all the screws you need to keep aside so that you will not lose it later, and then when you put back you will put it back nicely. And then I saw the thermal reset button inside of this box near the top of the group head. The problem is it's too tight, I cannot open. So now what to do is I'm showing the thermal resets, that red button. All you need to do is to press that red button, make sure you press it, and then check your potentiometer, set it in the right temperature like 94 to 94 degrees, and then you check again the water if this working or not, and then maybe a couple of minutes it will work. So now I need to return all the screws that I removed earlier. As you can see, the red light now is working, it's not flashing anymore, it's not blinking. And then when I check the group head, steam one, and I press it again, when I touch the water it's too hot. Don't try it, brother, don't try. Now it's okay. Now I need to turn on the machine again, and then as you can see, red light now is working properly. The blue light, everything. Now it's time to check the machine if it's properly working. I hope that this video helped you, just in case you encountered same issue that I encountered today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy.
How is that? Good? Number